You can't fit in there. See? You don't fit. If you don't fit, you ain't never going to be able to get out. Okay. Oh, yeah, see? Snug as a bug.
I could get all of my bits wet.
All right, then.
That's all that matters, right?
How was that? Yeah.
Well, thank God the sink was there.
Right. All right, no dog.
Love you.
Mama said you can't go. Mama said no dogs allowed. Daddy tried, but Mama said no. Hey guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch.
So today we are at the Dallas RV show.
Yep, so we missed the Tampa show this year, but we're working in the Fort Worth area, so we thought we'd drive over to Dallas and check out, see what they got going on here at the Dallas RV show, so stick around. So we're gonna take this to Alaska, I think. Look at that.
I think it would work out well. Look, it's got rugged tires and it's a little more industrious than the old open range. I do like the awning.
Pretty sweet.
Oh,
no
yeah.
wood, off-road tires.
Perfect.
Solid steps. Oh man, yeah, where's the, oh, check it out. There's the.
That's the closet.
Oh, I thought that was the bathroom.
There's not one.
Got a microwave.
You could get you a compostable toilet and stick in there.
A compostable toilet. That is not where the pooper's at.
There's no pooper.
What?
There's no pooper. This won't work. How can you have
I bet there
a
is.
16-foot no pooper?
There's the water tanks.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the pooper hole right there? Or maybe it's right here.
No, I already lifted that up.
It'd be like, hi, how you doing?
Wow, this is weird.
Not as cool as I thought.
No.
Well, it is on the outside, I think.
Well, it is. I don't know. For that size, I think it should have a toilet.
I could only
Good, how are you?
imagine. All right, so what's that?
This is the Connect
Yeah.
SE C221 RESE.
All right.
So this one's unique already because you walk straight into the bedroom,
Yeah.
which I kind of like because you've got this big open space, and so you feel the bedroom feels more accessible.
Yeah, gives you, I don't like the
floor vent.
floor vent. R.
And it gives you
It's got a curtain.
a privacy curtain.
Yeah, it's nice.
Which
It's
is
probably a 12-volt compressor fridge, which it
Yes.
is, but I don't like where it's at.
No, that's kind of a tight space. And then you've got the restroom right here.
Well, let's see. Well, that could be it's got a okay enough shower, I think. But I don't know.
Well, the one thing that you do have to keep in mind is this is just a 26-foot trailer.
Yeah, it's a small trailer. A little cramped there for the pooper. And it's a little cramped in here.
Well, if it didn't have that skylight in there, there's no way you would,
Yeah, I wouldn't be
you would be
fitting,
able to
but-
fit.
Ow. That hurt, actually. What's interesting about this is the rear of it.
Right, and for this size of a trailer, it has a huge counter space and
Yeah.
workable kitchen area. I don't like the valances in the kitchen area just because that's a messy situation.
Carry on appliances though, so that's nice. Well, that's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice farm style sink. I like the big sinks. And then you've got the insert for the counter, so you've
Yeah.
got so much counter space. But I do love this living space. Look at this. It's
Yeah.
like a little living room with a little dinette. I like that you have a big window on both sides of the RV, so you can see out and really get a lot of light in.
You know, I think the Mid-30s is what this is asking for, 30,000, mid-30s. And it's constructed like you would expect for something in that price range. I mean, it's not top tier, but it's made well.
These pull out.
Yeah. Oh, okay. What'd you do with those?
So you can have
some storage. Groovy.
Some extra seating.
Wow,
you can
put
pull
the kids
these
in there at night.
Yeah. You can pull these out, and then I bet
something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Perfect, maybe.
I don't know. That could be a whole segment. Watch Mel arrange furniture.
Try to figure out what stuff is. Oh no, not too bad for a little camper. What's he got? Manual stabilizer jacks, Lippert solid steps. This comes with. What other tires are they putting on? Okay, it's got Goodyear endurance tires. So that's a plus coming from the factory with the Goodyears. If you're still here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a little love, because God knows we need it. What is this? Another of the Connect series.
By KZ.
By who?
KZ.
KZ and the Sunshine Band?
All right. So this is a front kitchen. Look at all
wow, it's a FK.
This is huge. Look at all this space in here.
Oh, it's got a bottle. Because a lot of people say that is a source of heat buildup during the day.
Right, so this has a snappy
shade.
Snappy shade.
Snappa-lappa.
So they have some under the bench storage with totes that pull out.
Totes?
Right. And then of course you can access it from
of course you can.
Your
a floppy doodle.
to power your
Man, I wish I had these. I really wish I had these, for sure.
Yeah, that would be great. Look, they have heat and vibration.
What? That's amazing.
Charging.
So yeah, we're home on the hitch, and if Thomas Payne, if you're watching out there, we need some new appliances. No.
We need some new furniture.
I don't know what we're saying at all. We might need some new appliances too, but. So I guess we're in Mel's digging the KZ Connects. What you digging, Mel? Oh, this is okay. The rear.
This is
entertainment.
The rear living. Look, it's got a big living space.
Yeah.
You've got 3 couches. I imagine these make out into beds.
I bet they do.
And you got this giant ass TV.
Can't say ass on our channel.
You have this giant TV.
I don't like the fact that they put 4 vents in.
No, and I really feel like they chose the worst places to put the floor vents.
Yeah, in pretty bad areas.
This
Tell you
floor vent
what,
is in front of the sink.
it does seem like a little congested spot right there in the kitchen, but I do like the booth there, or the table kind of on the back side there. It's a decent little design.
Yeah, no, this is a really nice separation of space.
But things do feel kind of.
They do feel tight.
Well, they feel tight, and it feels a little cheap to me. So.
Yes.
I mean, whatever. I don't own one. I was just looking at things and feeling textures and how things, knocking on things and stuff like that.
It's good entry level.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying it's not a good RV, but it feels a little cheaper made.
I agree. It's a nice deep sink. It's plastic.
Yeah.
Plastic.
Yeah. And the killer is, yeah, I just can't do. I don't know if we could ever go back to a
No, I don't.
Northwest bed like this, unless it was just
Very big.
unless it was a slide out on either side of it. All right, so this is more of a like our floor plan rear RLS living.
So this would be a good couples trailer.
I mean, this is very similar to
It's
ours.
got
A little bit bigger island.
So the table, the dinette will make out into a bed.
Yeah.
That's going to pull out into a bed. That couch will.
That's nice. Like a little in.
Oh, I do like
Storage
that
there,
extra
but-
storage. It's got lots of counter space. Look at this little taco or coffee bar.
I can't say that I care for the counters though because they feel plasticky.
Well, they do, and I don't really like the pattern on it, but I like the space.
And here's my least favorite thing.
Oh, that faux live edge.
This plastic live edge.
But I do.
I do like all the Furrion appliances.
Lots. You can put a cereal box in here.
Or you could put a dishwasher in there. Oh, I got me a dishwasher though. She works good.
You better watch your mouth.
That's the new thing I had to implement. Is when Mel started talking too much. I said, Mel, mouth. See how it works?
Look at this amount of space under here. That is one open storage.
Entire cabinet.
Yeah, look at that.
Wait, what, Bobby?
This is
Very
great.
nice.
Yeah. Very thoughtful.
Oh, it's so thoughtful. You're so thoughtful, KZ. Same bathroom as the last one, but with the east-west bed. And it makes all the difference in the world.
Well, it does, because we can both stand in the
You can get in here and you can
the bedroom,
look,
and you can change clothes.
You can get dressed in the bedroom.
Look, you can even sit down to put your
There's
shoes
a
and your
little
pants
seat.
on.
That's not storage.
And look at that giant
Yeah.
counter space in the bedroom.
You would think that would be a lifty uppy doodad, but it's not.
No, but you do have drawers under that, so you can.
Yep. A little shade there for the night times.
Yeah.
That's probably, I guess that hole underneath probably is a pass-through storage at washer, dryer, or closet.
This is a a closet.
Oh, it's washer, dryer prepped.
Is it?
Yep. Well, it's a closet now because there's no washer, dryer in there, Mel. Oh, see? Snorted.
Smells like somebody farted in here. Let's go.
Hitch weight 950, unloaded vehicle weight 8360, and cargo is 1430. So it's got less. Its dry weight is about the same as ours. Its cargo is only 1432, which is about half of what ours is. So. All right, that's nice though. Casey's, I mean, we've never really looked at their stuff, so.
Well, I don't think that we've really been anywhere that we've seen a lot of their stuff.
Well, and that's the thing that you also go into shows in different parts of the country because RVs and certain brands are regional. So if you didn't know that, go to a show somewhere that you don't live, either like in central U.S. or on the West Coast, and you're going to see a whole bunch of brands that you've never, or models and names that you've never seen before, because what they sell and market out west is not what they sell and market on the east coast. We're not really interested in this one, but I tell you what, it makes a difference in RVs. That right there, if you're looking for an RV, find yourself one with Asdel. The manufacturers, why are you making RVs without it?
Spare bedroom.
Nice. Yeah, that's where you sleep when you get in trouble. Oh boy. I'm screwed now. Not only does this have a back deck.
It has a bathtub in the bathroom.
Oh my God. So it could be your craft room and...
This could just be my room.
No. That's a good... Well, ain't nobody else fitting in that bathtub, so yeah, this could be your... This is kind of like a typical toy hauler setup, but it's not that bad, really.
No, this is functional.
Is that a pantry or a bathroom?
It is a pantry.
Yeah.
So this is a nice. It's got glass doors. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
But why put the vent right when
right
you step
there.
out of the
See, I
shower?
mean, the water's
so I'm
gonna
wet. You
Gonna
drip.
right down in there. Stupid.
Don't do it.
That's the Keystone Carbon 398. MSRP 119,103. Show price $89,997.
So for the cost of a house payment,
Yeah.
You could live in an RV.
A Fusion toy hauler fifth wheel, $430. I do love.
It's a weird little couch.
Yeah, but I like it. It breaks up. It's not the typical toy hauler like living room, you know?
No, right. It's not like on an angle.
I kind of actually like it.
I like the kitchen and how you're still part of
the action.
Right.
See, I like that, yeah. Oh, the radio's on. Oh, we got a bathtub in that one too. About the same.
Yeah, this has a large closet area in the front.
Floor vents. Don't like it. Yeah.
Washer dryer.
Washer dryer. Test your age. I'm so hungry I could eat a wagon wheel. Leave that in the comments if you know where that's from. Have we ever heard of that?
No.
2023 Great Strata Lounge Ion, 214, 24 feet. Built, what's it built on? Oh yeah, it's on a Sprinter chassis. It's on a Sprinter chassis. I think we could not live in this.
You think we could do that?
No.
My problem is I don't want to have to make the bed.
No,
every time I want to use the bed.
And I'm guarantee you.
I mean, this would be great if you had, you know, if you were taking a road trip with your family or something.
It has a regular toilet and a black tank, and it's a wet bath. And more strawberries.
But I mean, you know, if you're traveling with your family, this would be going from point A to point B, you know, staying in a hotel and whatever.
Nope.
Just as a
no.
No.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe if you haven't. Join us next week for part 2 of the Dallas RV Show.